Well, I think that when we talk about juvenile indigent defense, we're talking about juveniles who are entitled to court-appointed counsel, that they don't have the financial resources to pay for counsel themselves. And I think that one of the critical issues that is emerging now, and it was an issue in the Lucerne County case, is really trying to establish that all juveniles are essentially indigent, because the representation that should be afforded to juveniles should be afforded to them directly and not through their parents. It is their lawyer and not their parents' lawyer. And so while there is a natural tendency to want to think about parents' financial resources when we appoint counsel for kids, I think that all of us who are part of this hangout today think that that consideration and those queries should really be directed at only children, and so that all children should have a right to court-appointed counsel in court.
Very cool. Yeah. Melissa, do you want to follow up on that?
Sure, I would agree with Marsha that we do believe that all children should have right to counsel, and you see it varies a great deal across the country in terms of what states provide counsel for virtually all children versus other states, many of which have various financial cutoffs, some of which look at parents' income, and of course the parents' income may or may not be accessible to the child, or the child may not feel comfortable asking their parents for their money. Sometimes there's even a lack of understanding as to whether they will have to pay for an attorney. So because of all these factors, it is much preferable to provide attorneys for all children.